Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ke jela Konrad Sangma ula Pynbna ba ban Pynlong ya ke Durand Cup hausnem arajar arpsau hagani ke nongba ya gani ula Pynbna ke jing plat ba ya ke trophy jong gani ke lempung haga jing elang ke balalong haga arp waitrik unaitung arajar arpulai State Convention Center Shillong ya gani ke jing elang la Pynlong de ke tranat yelek kai sports jong sarkar jela bat ke Eastern Command jong ke kinhon sipai keri ha kebaledan langki head officer ketika kinhon sipai bana ka sarkar jilla haringkat ki nongelam ki sinjuk ilek kai beper jong ke jilla lembat ki rang ilek kai ke Shillong lajong kabanya shimbenta hagari ke lempung haba ajing keren ne ke sniu Konrad ula pen pau baga Meghalaya kalong ke pau ba ki jing ilek kai football ha ka bagila mi shibon ki rang ilek kai football ki bala yo ye kalat ban mi khmat ye keri India bat kumjuru ki kinhon ilek kai ke jilla kilala banyak lek kai bha hagi lempung lek kai hapok keri pat dangshen ke kinhon lek kai ke jela kala rum sha ka final ha ka santosh trophy bat kani ka peni ke jinyai keu ke jela ha ke jinyai lek kai football no way usnem shaway pan kumban supan kin mau dangshen ki bor penya jong ke kinhon sipai kila Pynbna ban Pynlong ye ke Durand Cup menta usnem hagi south ki jaka ki bakin thup ye ke Shillong Henry ke jingbam la ban pendep puraya ke Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium kala Pynlong bandu no ye gani kalat menta usnem tikum ta lakmi renti ba an yo biang ban Pynlong hausnem uban wan.
Here that the support of the state machinery in putting this up has been phenomenal, and I'm grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister and his entire team and support staff for the same. The Indian Army on behalf of the Armed Forces has been organizing this prestigious tournament with pride since independence and has put this tournament on the global footballing map with its longevity and heritage. Started in 1988, the 134-year-old legacy tournament is all set to become more thrilling as service teams from our friendly neighbors, Nepal and Bangladesh, also compete in this year's edition. The reach of the Durand Cup in the Northeast has been expanded, and the legend of Durand this year has been brought to Shillong, the beautiful capital of the state of Meghalaya, for the first time. Besides the new host cities and venues, the 132nd Durand Cup edition will see many more firsts, including the participation of the popular Shillong Lajong Football Club, amongst others. This, I'm sure, will give fillip to the budding footballers of Meghalaya to excel and bring laurels to the state. I wish the magnificent trophies a popular stay in Shillong and an enjoyable journey from here on till they reach Kolkata. I call on everyone to come forward and support this trophy tour and the wonderful tournament, and may the 132nd edition of Durand Cup be a resounding success story. Just a point to add, this year Sony Sports and Sony Live will also be covering the matches live for the information of the football lovers here.
Testimony of the kind of talent that our state has and the potential that it can have in the coming years. For us as a state, we have realized that the kind of talent and the kind of passion, I should say, that our youngsters have for different sports and different disciplines needs to be supported in the correct manner. We have seen that in the past, many sports enthusiasts, different associations, different clubs have been able to perform in different disciplines based on the passion and the kind of hard work that they put in at their own level. Having it every year henceforth. We hosted the Meghalaya Olympics, Northeast Olympics, the Northeast Olympics, which was a huge task. But I'm happy to say that we did it in a very, very professional manner, and most of the athletes who participated have given the testimony, have testified that it was one of the best games that they'd attended. Be it different international and national level tournaments. Recently we had the National Table Tennis Championship out here. And hence we are always ensuring that as many activities, as many events, as many championships can happen, it is a right way to bring in the interest and allow our youngsters to show their talent, to work towards winning, and to work towards improving their overall skills. And hence we support and would always want more and more such tournaments to come in. And I'm thankful to General Sanjay Malik and the armed forces for having selected Meghalaya to be one of the host states and next year. And I can assure General Malik ji that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that the games will be a huge success, and we will make sure everything is done to give you full support for it. It is not only in football but in many, many sectors, and I'm sure our associations who are here will be testimony to it, that Meghalaya government has been very, very supportive in different activities. Our Vice Chairman of the Meghalaya Olympics Association is here, and he has been working with professional agencies to ensure that we are able to find our talents. We have realized that in spite of being a country with 1.4 billion people, we are not able to perform the way other smaller nations in terms of population, like Australia, like New Zealand, like Iceland. There is a reason why, even though their numbers are small, yet they are producing Olympians. They are reaching the finals of the World Cup in football, and so on and so forth. And the reason why this is happening, in spite of having such a large population and having the kind of talent that we do need, and having the kind of passion, the reason why we are not able to move forward is because the approach to ensure how we train, how we select, how we move forward in sports has not been scientific and professional. We wait for the child to be 15, 16-year-old, and if he or she starts running fast, we say, "Ha, isko bhejna padega humko." It's too late. And hence, it is very important that we bring in scientific approach